we want to be create here the work area. We can create this work area that I already said data w underscore person, then type z person. Okay, with the help of this work area we can address the component of structures, and this addressing of the component is done with the help of work area w underscore person, then use the hyphen. Now the component that we have used here, the first name component was the name. Now the name, and then equal, suppose I am giving here the name is Ajay Dureja. Similarly you can access the another component wa underscore person, another component that we have used. Just double click on it. Sorry. Okay, you can see how we can access the component. This is an example of an address structure. In this we have three components: street, zip code, and city. In this ABAP program you have created work area of type structure name. The structure name is the address. Now I am accessing the component one by one with the help of this work area. This is work area, and then hyphen, then first component name is street equal to the value. Similarly the work area name, then hyphen, then another component, then value. Similarly we can access the another component using the work area. Now you can see in this program, if you want to be see the component that we have created, just click on this z person structure, double click on it. Okay, press yes. It will open you the structure that you have created in the dictionary. The second component was the address, third was the street, and then zip code. Now click on the go back, then address equal to, suppose I am giving the address is 939 oblique 8 behind Patwar Khana, Rohtak. Similarly another component you can access wa underscore person, then another was the street, and then zip code. Street, wa underscore person, then zip code, and the zip code was the numeric, so I am entering here 1234 dot. Now click on the save button, check for the error, compile it, syntactically correct, then you can activate it. Now suppose if you want to be print these component values, you must use the write statement here. How we can use write? This will be the write statement. Now this is name of the person, name of person, comma, and wa underscore person, and that will be the name. Similarly you can also write here, this will be the write, then name, address of person, comma, wa underscore person, and then address. Now click on the structure, check for the error, synthetically correct, then activate it, and then execute this program. You can see the output of this flat structures. Now click on the go back. Now come to the next topic, and the next topic is on nested structure. As I already discussed about the nested structure, when the component of a structure is of type structure, then this is called nested structures. Or you may say that a nested structure is found by including another structure object in the structure and assigning to it as a component. You can see in this diagram the person is a structure. In this person we have two structures, name and address. And this name is again the structure which are having the component first name and last name. Similarly, address is another structure which are having components street, zip code and city. Now how we can access this component first name, last name, street, zip code and city, because it are the component of the structure and which are also the component of the another structures. How we can access this component? Again with the help of hyphen, but you have to follow the hierarchy. How we can follow the hierarchy? You can see there, this is data, then we have created here the work area, then type, this is the main structure. You can make it as a base structure. In this base structure we have another structure which is the name structure. So how we can access? This is the work area, w underscore person, then hyphen the name means the derived structure of the base structure name, and then first name, the component of that structure name. Then you can assign the value here. Similarly, another last name, similarly street, zip code and city. This was the exercise that we have already done, how we can create the simple structure and nested structures. This is the type group. Actually this is the obstacle feature of this SAP system. Now it has been be deleted from this SAP NetViewer, so there is no need to be discussed here. The type pool. This was about the lesson number